Have you accidentally reset your Android phone, resulting in the loss of important data? Do you seek to restore your Android phone from Google but don't know how? Don't freak out. Today, we will show you 2 ways to restore your Android phone from Google Backup, so let's get started. Method 1. How to restore Android phone using Google. First, if you want to restore data from an old Android device after buying a new one or performing a factory reset, turn on your Android device, click the arrow icon in the middle of the screen, and select System Language. Then click Next, and if there is a Wi-Fi network, enter the password key to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Second, click the Next button, click the Enter Your Google account details, and click the Next button again. Third, click the Accept button to log in to your Google account. The Google Services page will appear. Check the boxes as needed. Fourth, click the device name to select the device to restore, then select the application to restore, and click Restore. Fifth, after successfully completing the above process, click Set up Fingerprint and enable Google Now. As you can see, the above method requires you to reset your Android phone device, which is not friendly to those users who have used their phones for a while. To help you restore Google backups more easily, we recommend DroidKit, which can help you restore your Android phone from Google Backup without resetting the device. As a comprehensive Android data recovery software, it can restore WhatsApp, messages, call logs, Wi-Fi passwords, photos, contacts, and calendars for every user. In addition, you can also choose to export or download the backup to your computer or device. Let's get started. Method 2. How to restore Android phone using Google without resetting. Step 1. Download the latest version of DroidKit on your computer and run DroidKit. Step 2. Click on the Data Extract function and choose from Google account. Step 3. You can extract the following 7 of the most essential data you need. Here, we take contacts as an example. Select Contacts and click the Next button. Step 4. Click the Authorize on the right and sign in with your Google account. Then locate the Google backup you'd like to restore from. Step 5. Select the contacts you want to restore. Besides, click to device or to PC as you need. That's how simple it is to restore Android phone from Google Backup. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2024. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.